Hello everybody, this is David with the Success Keeper, and I come here almost every single day with a brand new video. On this channel, the Success Keeper, we talk about how to make money online, and I create motivational and inspirational videos. In the past few videos, we talked about this brand new book, Affiliate Marketing Millionaire, and I read previous chapters from this book. So today we're gonna continue chapter 3, which I didn't finish yesterday, and we stopped over here. If you missed the previous chapter, I invite you to go back to my videos and watch them from the first in the series of Affiliate Marketing Millionaire. So yesterday we stopped over here where Dave Sharp. Oh, by the way, Dave Sharp wrote this book. Dave Sharp is the CEO of Legendary Marketer and the company about which we are talking about right here. And Dave Sharp says, next I want to talk to you about the difference between high ticket and low ticket marketing. Let me break down some of the numbers. If you wanted to earn $5,000, you were selling a product for 20 bucks, you would have to sell 250 of those products to equal 5,000. If you were selling a product of $100, you would have to sell 50 of those products to equal 5,000. If you were selling a product for 250, you would have to sell 20 of those products. And if you were selling product for 500 bucks, you would have to sell 10 of those products. If you were selling a product for $1,000, you would have to sell only 5. And if you were selling a product for 5,000, you would obviously just have to sell only 1. And the reason why it's so important to illustrate this is because there are many different ways you can reach the same revenue target. One of the most important things to have is different products at different price points. Even though not everyone will be interested in your high ticket offers, there will be some people, and as you can see, you can have as much revenue coming into your business from one person as you do from hundreds. If you have a high ticket income stream, Amazon mastered selling multiple streams of income. They started out by selling books, and today they sell thousands of different products, including one which revolutionized how people read books, the Kindle. Apple also did this masterfully with their suite of products. I call it a value ladder. Each step, each step up of the ladder consists of higher priced products which generate more revenue. And it's the reason Apple is one of the largest companies in the world. What Apple did that was so brilliant was they built a value ladder of core products that gradually increased in price, starting low and going high into the thousands. They start consumers off with the iPod or nowadays an iPhone. Then they market the iPad to you. Then you purchase up to a MacBook, their version of a laptop. Then to iMac, their version of desktop computer. Then they market their subscription service to you, like Apple Music and so forth. If Apple only sold phones or only MacBook laptops, they wouldn't be a tenth of the company they are now. They may even be out of business, but because they offer multiple streams of income and integrate high-ticket products into their value ladder, they've grown to be one of the biggest companies in the world. I can show you how to do the same thing online and without any overhead, manufacturing, shipping, or employees. Because although Apple is an awesome company, it's not realistic to duplicate them, nor would I want to. Part of the attraction of an online business to me is the freedom it gives me. If I want to pick up and move to Paris to work from there for 6 months, there is nothing stopping me from doing so, and that's freedom. With an online business, you can have multiple low and high ticket streams of income without any of the headaches normal business have to deal with. All right, you are progressing through this book nicely. I'll see you in the next chapter. And tomorrow, guys, and there is an unclickable button, obviously, because it's on the video, but I'm gonna leave a link below this video that when you click that link, it'll take you to the same exact page as if you clicked over here, okay? And tomorrow, in tomorrow's video, we're gonna open up chapter 4 and we're gonna talk about your business plan. And again, this was David. I'm reading from a great book, Affiliate Marketing Millionaire, written by Dave Sharp, the CEO of The Legendary Marketer. And this book is not even published yet. This book talks about building your dream online business without the hassles of creating products, hiring, or doing customer service. If you like my channel, The Success Keeper, if you like this video series, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, The Success Keeper. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below this video and check out my #1 recommendation for opening up a online business, which is the company we talk about right here. This was David with The Success Keeper, and I will speak with you tomorrow. You take care.